Yeah, she's not a happy camper. So we pull, raise her up. This battery is nearly brand new, and it's a Duralast battery, and I'm not happy with it at all. Again, this is a jump box. We'll turn it on. We have 80% power. It's got a little screen on there. It's from Gulu, and I'll post a link to this thing too. This is something I've used, and I haven't used it on a tractor yet, so it's supposed to be able to start a diesel, a big machine, so this is going to be the tell the tale. So red on the hot side, or positive, and black to the negative. The cord is a little bit short, but I think we'll be okay. That's the big question. Will this start a diesel tractor? Contact, baby. Glow plugs. Contact. Come on. Oh, maybe the glow plugs need to go for a little bit longer. That battery should not be dead. Okay, glow plug's good. There we go. Woohoo! It'll start a tractor. That's all I need to know. Did it melt it? All right, Stony Ridge Farmer approved. We dropped her to 68% from 80%, but the last one of these I had and I tried to jump a tractor, it melted it, totally melted it down. Very impressed. Gulu.